Let's go through the walkthrough for Summer Tyme Magic. All right, we start on the right. Here we go. Cross, left out, left back, left out, left cross, cross, right out, right back, right out, then right back roll, and roll, left back roll, and roll, right foot cha-cha, left step, bend, turn, right cha-cha, left step, bend, turn. Okay, a little dyslexic on that one, so I'm going to do that step and turn one more time. All right, with the step and turn, it's cha-cha, left step and turn, left cha-cha, right step and turn. All right, let's take that sequence again. 5, 6, start with the right. Cross on the right, out on the left, back on the left, out on the left. Cross on the left, out on the right, back on the right, out on the right. Then roll it on the right, and roll it on the left, and cha-cha on the right, left step and turn. Cha-cha on the left, right step and turn. Okay? That's move 1. Now after we do that move, we're going to have a tap, tap, kick, and turn. 4 walls to the right and 4 walls to the left. Okay? And that includes a little salsa move. So the move is tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Right. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Right. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. So, we do the same thing with the left foot. Tap, tap, kick, down, step, and turn. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. That's your tap, tap, kick. Now, practice that. Once you get the tap, tap, kick together, tap, tap, kick, step, and turn, we have a salsa move. So we put those 2 parts together, it looks like this. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Right up, left back, right foot. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Right up, left back, right foot. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Right up, left back, right foot. Tap, tap, kick, left step, and turn. Right up, left back, left side. Tap, tap, kick, right step, and turn. Left up, right back, left foot. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Left up, right back, left foot. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Left up, right back, left foot. Tap, tap, kick, step, and turn. Left up, right back. Okay? That's move 2, or part 2 if you want to call it. Then we have part 3. So there's like 4 parts to this dance. Part 3 is going to be on the right foot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then left, right, 1, 2, 3. Cross and kick, cross and kick. Okay? So the move is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cross and kick, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cross and kick, all right? Let me show you the cross and kick again. Cross and kick, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Practice this a couple of times because for a lot of people the cross and kick is a challenge. Cross and kick, Keep your feet low to the floor. That way it's not hard. You should do a walk. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross and kick, and kick. Practice that a couple times. All right? Then the 4th move, or part 4, is roll right, roll left, 2 to the right. Roll left, roll right, 2 to the left. Okay? Those are the 4 moves for the dance, the entire dance. What you'll learn after you learn each move is just the rotation. And with the rotation, watch the demo and you'll see how the rotation flows. But I'm going to do a dry run of the dance with all the moves together so you see how they flow. And remember, practice makes progress, or progress takes practice. All right, let's start from the top. 5, 6, you start on the right. Cross, out, back, out, and cross, out, back. We're gonna roll now. Roll, roll. Cha-cha, step and turn. Cha-cha, step and turn. Cha-cha. Do it again. Now cross, out, back, out, and cross, out, back. Roll it on the right, roll it on the left. Cha-cha, step and turn. Cha-cha, step and turn. Cha-cha, step and turn. Then 1, oh, okay, sorry. Then it's tap, tap, kick, step and turn, up and back, right. Tap, tap, kick, step and turn, right up, left, back, right. Tap, tap, kick, step and turn, right up and back. Tap, tap, kick, step and turn, right up, right back. Left foot, tap, tap, kick, right step and turn, left up, right back. Left foot, tap, tap, kick, step and turn, left up, right back. Left foot, step and turn, left up, right back. Left foot, tap, tap, kick, step and turn, up and back. And now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cross and kick, cross and kick. Oh, I forgot to show you that move, didn't I? All right, let's stop for a second. So, the cross and kick, remember, I'm gonna go back. So move 3 of part 3 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Cross and kick, tap, kick, tap, kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Cross and kick, tap, kick, tap, kick. Then hips and hips, 2 to the right, and hips and hips, 2 to the left. Once you learn the steps, then learn the rotation. That's what I always teach in class. So take part 1, practice the steps on part 1 throughout the whole song, Summer Tyme Magic by Childish, Gambino. When you get part 1 down, then start working on part 2. When you get part 2 down, then you move to part 3, then you move to part 4. Then you can put it together during 1, 2, 3, and 4 and learn the rotation. In any case, if you're just working on one part at a time, here's what will happen. You will have activity. You will have exercise. You will get steps in. You will be moving. You will be enjoying the music. You'll have a good time. You'll have accomplished one small win, which is all it takes to feel like you got this. So again, practice each part separately. Nail each part using the whole song, and then put the 4 parts together. That's the recipe for how you learn a line dance.
I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.